drop. Gonna drop the Kaido. Only got time, realistically, for, like, one decent match. So, I'm gonna try to have one decent match. Probably should be in bed already. Okay. We got a casino. I'm always paranoid about somebody being up on casino, and if they don't suck, then I'm in trouble trying to get shit off of that roof, so I'm not going to worry about it. Who uses the laser sight? Like, for real, who's that for? Who's using that thing? Mm-hmm. Was that who I heard, though? I don't know if that's who I heard or not. Here's one thing I do know, though. Well, that's mine now. It's not like somebody running through the street. Five, 5.56 really bad. This is probably really stupid. Okay. Dude, might have had more stuff I could have used, but circumstances. You were lucky. Whoop, doggy. That was weird looking. Tempted to just grab that Bronco there. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Gonna take damage doing this? Almost. This might be stupid driving through the fucking city, but I don't think I've got much of a choice. Bad driving, bad driving, bad driving, bad driving. Ooh, that was risky. Ooh, that was risky for the biscuit. Not great shooting. Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. Driving in this game still scares me. I mean, you figure these have got to be occupied, right? Jesus Christ. You're an idiot. Okay. I felt pretty good about this spot. 8 alive. No, I'm gonna wait till this closes. I ain't going anywhere. Wait till this shit closes down. Yeah. And then I'll move around the front. I mean, that kind of fucked me. Man. Couldn't have pushed any further away. Could see a dude just fucking... just doing this. No, there gotta be people in there. Gotta be. Man, there's just no cover. Fuck. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Oh my god. That hurt. How many grenades do you have, dude? Oh my god. The circle's gonna kill me. I got nowhere to go. I lose. This is how I'm gonna lose. I'm just hoping he's outside the circle too. That's it. Wow. Fucking play sound. What the fuck? God.